Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we'll see an article, a newspaper online article, and this news is about India and Bangladesh. What happened? As you can see in the picture, there is a natural calamity. Lot of damage took place, lot of lives and the property got damaged and devastated due to this natural calamity. So we'll see the entire news in detail with difficult words, good structure and vocabulary. So watch the video till the end. You will learn lot of new words, sentence structure and some more things. So let's start with the news. So this news is of 18th June and 11:56 o'clock. So it's an online article. In Indien und Bangladesch sind durch Überschwemmungen und schwere Unwetter viele Menschen ums Leben gekommen. So this is the phrase ums Leben gekommen means people lost their lives. When people lost their lives, we say ums Leben gekommen. Okay, they are no more. They were died. So in India and Bangladesh, through Überschwemmungen means flood. Überschwemmungen, flood. Und schwere Unwetter, very heavy thunderstorm, Unwetter. Many people lost their lives. Millionen weitere mussten ihre Häuser verlassen. Million of people had to leave their house. Verlassen means to leave. They had to leave their house and migrated and shifted to some other safe places. Für das Wochenende rechnen die Behörden mit einer Verschlechterung der Lage. And the officials are estimating for the weekend that the situation would get worse. Mit einer Verschlechterung der Lage means the worse of the location, the situation, der Lage. The location and the situation would become worse for the weekend, and it has been estimated, calculated. Rational means to calculate, to estimate by the Behörden. Behörden, government officials, meteorological department person, expertise, okay, scientist, so officials basically. Schwere Unwetter und Hochwasser haben in Indien und Bangladesh zahlreiche Menschenleben gekostet. This heavy thunderstorm and Hochwasser flood have costed in India and Bangladesh zahlreiche Menschenleben means numerous lives of people, okay, have been paid off or have been gekostet means many thousands of people and numerous of people have lost their lives in India and Bangladesh due to this schwere Unwetter, very heavy thunderstorm and flood. This is perfect tense, gekostet. Das Leben gekostet means they have lost their lives. People have lost their lives due to this natural calamity, due to this Hochwasser, this flood, Überschwemmungen. So these are synonyms, Hochwasser, Überschwemmungen. Millionen Häuser standen in beiden Ländern unter Wasser. Million of houses are standing in both the region, both the countries underwater. Unter Wasser means flood, due to flood, okay, the houses are underwater. Wie die Behörden mitteilten, as the officials informed, mitteilen, Präteritum mitteilten. Mitteilen means to inform. The officials had given this information. Im Indischen Unionsstaat Assam kamen nach Angaben des Katastrophenschutzministeriums mindestens 9 Menschen in den Fluten ums Leben. 2 Millionen mussten aus ihren Häusern fliehen. So now in India, Union state Assam. This happened in Assam. Okay. According to the Angaben data of Katastrophenschutzminister, Catastrophe Protect Minister. Okay, or you can say Natural Calamity Department and the Natural Calamity Division Department of Indian government had given this data that mindestens minimum 9 people, okay, have lost their life in flood. Indian Fluten again, Hochwasser, flood. So you can see there are a lot of synonyms for this word flood. 2 Millionen mussten aus ihren Häusern fliehen, and 2 million people had to leave, had to flee from their house. House plus fliehen. Fliehen plus house. Fliehen means to flee, to run away from their houses because there is a flood and they cannot sustain, they cannot live over there. It's dangerous. Der Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is a river. Der Brahmaputra, einer der größten Flüsse Asiens. One of the biggest rivers of Asia. See this sentence, einer der größten Flüsse Asiens. One of the genitives with superlatives. One of the biggest rivers of Asia. Durchbrach means broke through seine Deiche und überschwemmte 3000 Dörfer und Anbauflächen. So this river has broken through their path and crossed over 3000 villages. Überschwemmte means 3000 villages are under this flood, heavy flood. And due to that 3000 villages are under danger. And Anbauflächen means acreage, area under crops, cultivated area. So a lot of villages and cultivated area, okay, were devastated, damaged due to this Überschwemmung, due to this Hochwasser, flood. Die Niederschlagsmenge ist beispiellos. Die Niederschlagsmenge ist beispiellos. There is no example for that. Niederschlagsmenge. So these are the difficult words that you must note down. Niederschlagsmenge ist beispiellos means the rainfall, the amount of rain was huge. Amount of rainfall, it was heavy rain, very heavy rain. It's beispiellos. No Beispiel can be given, cannot be explained, cannot be said what happened in this heavy damage. So it's Niederschlagsmenge means the amount of rainfall is very heavy. Sagte ein Mitarbeiter der meteorologischen Station in Guwahati. Said one of the workers of meteorological department in Guwahati. Der Hauptstadt von Assam. The capital of Assam. Okay, Guwahati is the capital. Guwahati ist die Hauptstadt von Assam. Das Militär unterstützte die Behörden bei der Rettung gestrandeter Menschen und der Versorgung der Obdachlosen mit Lebensmitteln. So in this devastation, in this calamity, military supported the officials. The military rendered their support during the rescue work, Rettung, gestrandeter Menschen, who are under the flood, who are under difficulty. So they wanted to get rescue. So military supported the officials and give their support and rescued the people, and also look after the Versorgung means take care of the Obdachlosen means homeless people with Lebensmittel, with food and other necessary items were provided, eatables were provided to these homeless people. So you have seen a lot of difficult words, how the sentences are made, what kind of sentences are used in a newspaper article. This is very, very useful if you want to improve your reading skills as well as writing skills. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.